friends, Violin Teacher here, and this video is going to be covering Maybe from Annie, which is a theater production from way back. Okay, so let's just scan this piece. This is a great intermediate piece because it has a lot of accidentals and borrowed fingers, and it is in a flat. It has a couple flats in the key signature. So, and it also encompasses all the strings, I think, even, but not E. I don't think you have any notes on E. So let's see what we get. We're going to start with B flat. It's fairly simple at the beginning. So here we go. Tricky spot. Should have used fourth finger there. Let's try that again. Or even probably be easier in third position. Starts over. Alright, so it's pretty straightforward. I just want to talk to you real quick about the middle little part that goes line 3 on the first page after the second ending. We'll start at the second ending. So the second ending, C natural, B natural, and then D flat. Okay, so we're in a flat key, and the D flat is otherwise known as C sharp. C sharp usually plays that note, but you will not find it written as a sharp in a flat key for most cases. So this was a good plan here, and a good fingering is to just stay right there. 2 is busy, so we borrow 3 to play C sharp or D flat. Alright, now right after the second ending, they do mark it as C sharp. See that? C sharp, C natural, C sharp. But this D flat that I am holding here from the previous measure is the same as D sharp, C sharp. So just play it with that. Just play it with the finger that's already there. It's a perfect setup, really. Fingers are just touching and they're right there. And then 1 follows it. Alright, now 1 has to hop over in the next measure and then slide down to A sharp or B flat. Now once you're in half position here, use 2. Or you could slide, but it's not very, it's kind of messy. And it's followed by a D, so why don't you just go slide down, borrow the 2 for the next B natural, then D. Alright, let's see what's next now. release that and come back up. You were previously right here in half position, but you're not really shifting your hand. You're just moving your fingers down. So don't shift your hand position for half position. Okay? Half position, your hand doesn't move back another little smidge. Okay? Little half step. Just leave it in first position. All right, top of the page now. So we were previously just in half position with those low fingers, and now we're going to reach for the 4. We're going to reach for the 4 on D, which is going to play an A. Fingers touching, high 3, and 3 on the G, right beside the 4, so hold it. It'll help that third finger to find its way. Now, lift it up. Now, in this measure, second measure, top of the page, second page, we have still a high 3 and then a regular 3. So let's use borrowed 2 for that. Then hop over. So you're not disorienting your third finger. Hey. Sorry about that. So you're not messing around with the position of third. Very messy. Don't do that. Use borrowed fingers. Then your third finger is already in the high position. Now we're going to do it again. C sharp this time. So let's play 1 under it this time. So that's a little tricky. It plays right under 2. Then it plays down on the D in its regular position. Borrow the 2 to play the B natural and reach for that high 3. Play 4 here. That way you can just play 4-3, 4-3, 4-3. Or if you want to shift up, you can do that. Okay, so that gets you through Maybe from the theater production Annie. And a lot of accidentals and half steps and borrowed fingers that you could work through on this piece in the middle section. If you like this video, please do like it. Please subscribe. Please share it if you have any friends that might learn from it as well. And thank you very much for listening.